Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel KGR Tips and Tricks. This is KBD Muhammad Ghulam Rasul, has been servicing long time in sales profession. Today's presented topic is tips to achieve goals. Number 1. Be specific about achievement. Normally, we see people don't know what they want to with their life, and even after thinking hard, they often don't come with something they really want to do. This is one of the main reasons that in spite of so many books on success, most people live an average life, not achieving some major success. Number 2, design your action plan. Devote as much time as you need to find a goal. Even minor goals are okay. Not everyone really desires great success and is willing to completely change his or her life. Not everyone desires to be a millionaire or possesses the talent to make money. After finding a goal that you really desire to achieve, draw up a plan or even alternative plan and be as practical as possible. Number 3, goal visualization. Visualization will also affect your subconscious mind, which will keep you motivated, focused on your goal, and more aware of ideas and opportunities. Number 4, read and listen to advice. Read books or articles about what you want to achieve. Meet people who can help you and listen to their advice, but use your common sense and reason before accepting anything. Number 5, repeat affirmation. Affirm with faith and feelings that your goal has already been achieved. If you don't undo your affirmations with doubts and lack of belief, they will be accepted by your subconscious mind, which will then provide you with more desire and motivation. Number 6, make a list of steps. List the steps you need to take, such as signing up for a course, studying, reading, developing the required skills, and other steps you need to implement that will take you closer to achieve your goal. Number 7, review your goals periodically. Some goals are not worth achieving. Some goals forfeit their importance. It is good idea to review your goals regularly and without the worthless one. Number 8, take action. Don't just affirm and visualize and do nothing. Take any action required to bring your goal into reality. Take action and follow the steps on your list. Don't just wait for things to happen. Number 9, alternative plans. If a certain plan does not work, look for an alternative one that is close to your goal. Dear viewers, thanks a lot for watching the video with patience so long. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe the channel, press like button, leave a comment and finally share it more. Wishing you best.